my little nation, it's me, Nalina, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eye look right here. It's actually going to be one of the quicker tutorials because this look didn't really have much to it. So first I went in with the Born to Glow concealer in shade Vanilla, and I just patted that on my eyelid. So for reds, I'm actually going to be dipping into the 39L Hit the Lights palette by Morphe. And I'm going to be using the first two shades because they're really pretty reds. I'm going to mix those together and start right here and just carving out my shape. Then I'm going to go ahead and go into the Pixie by Petra glitters. And I'm going to use the red one down here. And this is the Rose Brown palette. So I'm going to take it on a really small brush. And I'm going to basically follow the shape. And I like these glitters because you don't even need like a glitter glue to lay them down. And cut the crease. Of course, I'm going to use my 16-hour Camo Concealer from e.l.f. And I'm just going to draw a line right underneath. Like that. And clean it up. Yep, that's it. It literally took us just a few seconds. Grab some red shadow. Then we're going to go right underneath that line that we just carved and fill it in with red eyeshadow. So I'm going to go back in with my Vanilla concealer right here. Take a little bit out of brush. This is the Born to Glow from NYX. This is what we used for our eyeshadow base today. And I'm just going to go right underneath this red and carve out that little space. Next, we're going to add some winged liner. Great, now you're ready for some lashes. And here is the finished look. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of different tutorial. Hope it was easy enough for you guys. I tried to do something a little bit more edgy than the last two. The last two were very like bright and colorful. So if you guys are a little bit into like the vampy style of makeup, yeah, now you guys have something to recreate. See you guys in my next video. Bye.